Hey guys, it's winter again, and coming from a tropical climate, I still find myself very hard to put up with this winter, especially this time of the year, Feb and March. So, these are some tips and tricks how I keep myself warm or my house warm, or at least fool my body to keep itself warm. So, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Coming home from the cold evenings to a colder house, the first thing I want to do is just get into these cozy, comfortable pajamas. They keep so warm in the winter. To give a treat to my feet, I normally grab these super soft socks. They're of okay quality to wear in the house. Sometimes I use them to wear with these kind of sandals where you need not struggle your thumb to get into the sandals. And but most of the time I use this kind of shoes which covers your entire ankle region, and they keep my feet so warm, and the rubbery material at the bottom doesn't make me slip on the floors. Then obviously I had to grab my baggy sweaters whenever I just wear a t-shirt in the house. So I just keep them handy, wear them there. Since we are just two people living in this house, the house could be sometimes quiet and cold. So to set up the evening mood, I make sure that I light up some candles in the evening, sometimes scented one, sometimes the normal one, just to keep that warm vibe going on in the house. And my favorite part is this clay candle, where this one heats up the entire clay pot over it, and sometimes I put my palms around it and feel the heat out of it. It's so nice feeling, you guys. Sometimes a week, I also like to use this oil diffuser to have this nice scent in the entire house by just lighting this up, adding the favorite essential oil, and circulating this carefully around all the rooms. It gives that nice scent in the evening in all the rooms. I also set up my lights color to warm white in the evening using my IKEA smart lights. So this color is absolutely nice in the evening, feels so warm and cozy in the house. I also like to use this fireplace. If you have Netflix, please do check it out in the Netflix. The fireplace in Netflix is absolutely amazing, guys. It gives that placebo effect. I don't know what, but I feel really good, like having that played on the TV, dim the lights, and then just go to sleep hearing that cracking sound of the fire, and it's just a nice feeling. Yeah. Next thing is this hot water bag which serves the days when I'm so tired or having periods. So I just keep fill this up with hot water and keep it pretty much everywhere on the body. Oh, how can I forget about the hot beverage which we all keep on having in the winter time, especially teas and coffees. I drink a lot of non-caffeinated teas during the entire day, like chamomile or fennel tea. But today in the evening, I made green tea and detox tea for me and my husband. It feels so nice to have a hot beverage, sit and relax and sip on to it in the cold evening. After tea, it's time to relax. I make sure that I keep a lot of throws around the couch, and I grab one of them, get cozy and warm inside it, and just relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.